fellow modelers and styling fanatics, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine and enjoys the hobby. In today's Concrete Bunker broadcast, we have a review of a car kit. So take a seat, crack a cold one and let's go. Here is the kit we are going to crack open. It is a Nissan Fairlady 300ZX Turbo from Tamiya in 1 to 24th scale and kit number 24087. According to ScaleMate site, this kit was initially released in 1989 and it was a new tooling kit. Upon opening the box, you will find 3 plastic sprues, 1 clear plastic sprue, 1 chrome plastic sprue with 4 wheels, the main car body, a set of rubber tires and a small set of water slide decals. Let's start from the car body first. Nicely molded and really detailed. Front, rear bumpers and spoiler are molded on the main body and minimum cleanup is required, mainly in the front bumper slots and removing 4 mold lines, 2 in the front bumper and 2 in the rear bumper. Next sprue is the one with the 4 wheels. Although chrome, it has that matte finish that makes them look a bit more realistic. In between the wheels we also find the glass for the side mirrors of the car. Pretty nicely molded and highly detailed. In the main hub hole you can find the letter Z that is the symbol of the 300ZX. Next, we have the clear sprue, which include the car's windows of course, headlights, tail lights, some other lights that are located at the front and rear bumper. One cool feature that Tamiya provides you with is the clear front hood, which allows you to see the engine bay when you finish with this build. All the clear parts are thin enough and they don't distort the image when you look through them. Moving on to the next one, we have a grey colored sprue which includes 2 front semi-bucket seats, exhaust system, engine block, turbochargers, valve covers, radiator, rear diff and possibly the front subframe. Parts are pretty crisp and detailed and the only part that requires extra care and cleanup is the exhaust system. second grey plastic sprue includes the interior tab, door cards, two dashboards, one for left and one for right steering consoles, suspension parts, disc brakes, and another subframe. Parts here are looking great and I have nothing to say about them. Moving on to the last sprue, we have the chassis, intake plenum, and some other engine parts and the side mirrors. Here I want to talk a bit about the chassis, which I find beautiful because it is just a metal part. This way you can paint it and detail paint the rest of the parts easily and add visual interest, which is always great. Last thing you find inside the box is the decal sheet, which has three different sets of license plates, one Japanese, one American, and one with the car name. Two decals for the dashboard gauges, one for left and one for right. A blue strip for the front windshield, which is used for blocking the sunlight, and the rest are badges for the engine and car. By touch, I find them pretty thin, so they should look great. That was everything that I have to say about this kit. I hope you guys found this video interesting and useful. If so, you all know what to do. Please let me know your opinion about my new video format. It was that Mofo Damon signing out.